Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of how to beatbox. And today I have a small announcement that's gonna be like probably 3 minutes long. Right, Molly?
Yes, you do.
Okay, so I'm not gonna be posting for about 2 or 3 days. Is that correct, Molly?
No, you told me I was 16.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
No.
yes,
No.
no.
Yes. No. Okay, get out of here, Molly. Okay, so I'm not gonna be posting because I have no ideas. So I'm after I start posting, I'm not gonna post every day. I'm gonna post every 2 days. So 2 or 3 days from now, I'm going to do no post, post, no post, post, no post, post. I used to do post, 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 post. But now I'm gonna do no post, post, no post, post, no post, post, and so on. So, right, Molly?
Yes.
Okay. Do not listen to Molly. I will not post. I will not post in 16 days. I will not post in 16 days, so I will post in 16 days. But will I post in 16 days? That's confusing. Okay. So, I guess that's it for my announcement. See you on the next video in 2 or 3 days from now.